Dear students, a very good morning to all of you. Today we will study about the compilation process. Now, what is compilation process? We can say that it is a process of converting a source code into an object code. Now, it is done with the help of compiler. Now, the whole compilation process is can be explained with the help of following diagram, and the most important parts of this process are preprocessor, compiler, assembler, and at last linker. Now let us look towards a diagram. First we have a source code. So what is source code? That is our program. This source code is passed to the preprocessor. The code is expanded and the expanded code is passed to the compiler. Then assembly code is generated, and this code is passed to the assembler, and assembler generates the object code. This code is passed to the linker. In linker we have supportable libraries, and we can have some other files, and after that we get the executable code. Now first of all we will understand the preprocessor. We have a source code. This code is written in a text format. We can say that in editor. The source code file is given an extension, that is .c. For example, if you have written a program add, then we can get add.c. This source code is first passed to the preprocessor. Preprocessor expand this code, and after expanding the code, the expanded code is passed to the compiler. Now what compiler will do? The code is expanded by the preprocessor, is passed to the compiler. The compiler convert this code into assembly code, or we can say that the compiler convert the pre-process code into a assembly code. Now here comes the role of assembler. The assembler code is converted into object code by using an assembler, or we can say that a machine code. Now this will generate a object code that is machine dependent, and after that linker. What is the main working of linker? Mainly all the program in C uses C library functions. For example, we have printf function. For example, we have scanf function. These library functions are pre-compiled and the object code of this library is stored in .lib file. The main working of the linker is to combine the object code of libraries with the object code of our program so that we can get a executable code. Now, we will create a flow diagram of the above process. We have a C program. We can say that hello.c. This will be given to a preprocessor. Preprocessor gives us expanded source code. We can say that hello.i. This will be given to a compiler. The compiler compiles the code and it will provide you a assembly code. So here we will get, for example, hello.s. Now this code is given to the assembler. Assembler generates the object code. We can say that hello.obj. Now object code is passed to the linker. Linker will give you an executable code. This is known as hello.exe. This code is passed to the loader. Loader is responsible to load your program in the memory, and here comes the execution. So before execution this process is performed. So this is the compilation process of a C program. Hope you will understand this lecture. Thank you very much.